Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect Wi-Fi with QR code in any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to connect with any Wi-Fi using the QR code, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to scroll down your quick settings and here you'll get this scan QR code option. You have to simply tap on it, and once you have that you have to you have to scan your QR code using your this screen camera. So let's scan the QR code. And once you have scanned, you will get this type option. You must have to tap on the join option and it will automatically connect. So in this way, you can easily connect to any QR code using Wi-Fi. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.